This is their solo bulalo. Solo daw siya. And marami na siya. It's actually, it looks like it's good for 2 persons. And look at this. Yung bone marrow. So let's try it. Malasa yung sabaw. Masarap siya sa kanin. At saka yung sabaw niya, makikita mo na matagal siyang pinakuluan. Let's try it. Malambot siya. Malasa. Kare-kare. Ito yung pinakabagong addition sa menu nila. And yung cut nila is like similar dun sa solo na bulalo. The sauce is so creamy. Sana masarap. And you've got these beans, eggplant or talong, at saka yung pechay. Yan. Then, and of course, it comes with this bagoong. Try natin. Cheers. Lasa-lasa yung peanut butter. Yung bagoong, ang sarap ng bagoong. Manamis-namis. At ng gulay. Dami ng kare-kare. Next is the chicken royale. Ito yung full chicken nila, fried chicken. Yan. Para siyang Maxes yung style na pagkaluto. It comes with the fries. Uy, malambot. Luto siya. Malambot at saka juicy pa siya. Ito naman, ang lumpiang gulay nila. So this is the first time we're going to taste it. Tikman natin itong lumpiang gulay nila. Mukhang masarap. Sausaw natin sa suka. Uy, may laman. May tofu na nalaglag. May toge at saka carrots. Ang sarap ng lumpia nila. Ang sarap. At saka yung suka, yung sausawan, masarap. So, itong chicken wings sila, they have the cheese,